So this is the home cleaning kit for your Dyson, and it is from Kuluke. This kit is for the Dyson V15, V11, V10, V7, V8. It is so nice. It comes with way more attachments than my original Dyson came with. All the attachments are compatible with those different models. And I really like that it came with this really long hose. But anyway, let's take a look at these a little closer. So these are interchangeable with your attachments on your Dyson. And here's this really long flexible hose. So you can take these attachments and attach them directly to your Dyson, or you can put the hose in between, which is really great because now I have this added length to be able to reach all of the places I want to reach. So it's really easy to pop this into my Dyson, add my attachment, and start cleaning. So these work so well. I really like the versatility of having so many attachments and that long hose. So again, these are from the Kuluke store, and these accessories include a flexible extension hose, a mattress tool, a stiff brush, soft bristle attachment, and a flexible crevice tool. So it provides everything you need to clean your home thoroughly, from floor to ceiling and everything in between. I really like this cleaning set. I think you're going to love it too.